Take a look at the landscape. Take a look at the software companies, our competition, that furloughed employees that went through, truly economic challenges in their business. Veeam's business is healthy. And as we go through this challenge, can you imagine what we're going to do on the other side when this is behind us? It's going to create so many opportunities. We have continued to hire. We've continued to promote our people internally. And that is a true testament to the opportunity ahead. And so what I would say is do what you do best. Be the best at what you are here. Make a difference with our business. Help other people succeed as well. And once you've gotten to that point, then you're ready to step up and take on a new opportunity. The opportunities here are absolutely endless. And I think you have to be opportunistic and really put yourself out there.